Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 Lariat. Coming in this nice black coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the black appearance package, mobile office package, tow and haul, and bed utility package. Taking a look at the back here, we do get a nice dual exhaust, tow hitch, rear park sensing. We do get a backup camera with a nice Pro-Access tailgate, which allows you to have easier access to your bed. You do get a bed liner. It's got some outlets down here, and we can turn on and off our lights, hooks and doodads to hold your gear down. Nice measurements on the gate as well, and it does go down automatically. And let's just say you're holding a lot of gear in your hands and you want to lift up your gate. All you have to do, knee it up, and it will go up automatically. We do get mud flaps on the rear, a nice black extended gripped running board, as well as mud flaps on the front, side view camera, spotlight and turn light indicated, blind spot detection. And move to the front, we do get a nice black hood deflector, front park sensing with recovery hooks, license plate bracket, block heater, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, plenty of door space, B&O sound system, flat fold storage system with floor mats, carpeted interior. We got cup holders, rear vent, 2 heated back seats with USB-Cs, 120 volt. Not 120. Yeah, there's 120 volt. You do get cup holders and arm space, and we do get a nice split folding rear bench, which is perfect for extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see we do have a powered driver's seat and a powered passenger seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, power door mirrors, memory seating for up to 3 drivers, auto stop start, lights, spotlights, parking brake, and pedal adjusters all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 175 kilometers. We do get this leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking here, we do get a digital speedometer on the right there. We got my view, trip and fuel, heads-up display, your gauges. Your heads-up display will show up right there as well. Limit your distractions so you can keep your eyes on the road. Gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we have our gear select with your speeds. It is collapsible. Storage, cup holders, wireless charging pad with more outlets down there, and it does close. Leather wrap center console that does turn into an interior work surface, which is perfect for putting a laptop here or your food. Totally up to you. You do get your normal storage underneath as well. Rear locking diff, drive modes, and 4-wheel drive. Trailer brake, Pro Trailer Assist, heated and cooled front seats, dual climate, 12 volt, 120, storage above and below, storage right here with a nice powered rear window opener. We also do have our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle. And looking at our main screen here, we do have a 360 view of our vehicle, which you can go for different camera angles on, hazards and traction, park sensing, and we do get Ford's BLUECRUISE, which is Ford's highway self-driving. Here for audio, you do get your AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. You got your phone controls, your navigation, fave apps such as messaging, email, all that jazz. Apps in general, or any apps you have downloaded, will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You got your settings and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FA74966, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.